We are walking the lot right now, and the pond is at least getting more full. We got a lot of rain this week. It is August, what, 6th, 7th?
You hear that frog jumping?
Yeah. And so Tiffany and I are here on the lot.
Taking a walk.
Yep. Hey. Just can't believe still we got a lot done today, which was cool. We got the lot like scraped and got some, thanks to Steve, came out and helped clear some of the brush for us so we can put the silt fence in. And we're just talking about how this process is gone. We're finally at the stage where we can start.
Hopefully in 2 weeks we'll be digging foundation.
Yeah.
Next week is still all prep, you know? And then the following week,
I think
up
from,
and back.
I'm going to turn this around. Can I turn this around? Let me see here, yeah. So it has, since the beginning, what would you say? Was it February that we first came out here? We saw this lot? January?
It was maybe December or January because we closed in February.
Okay, so we closed on the lot in February. And so this has been quite the process, and I think it's good for people to know. Like, we started this a while ago.
Well, the plan design takes so long just to go back and forth. And then to get it all bid out and ready to go. It just takes quite a while. And if you spend the time doing all the prep work, it should go for a more smooth build, is the goal.
Yeah.
So that we've picked out pretty much all of our selections and everything ahead of time. So, but I just hope we don't have any bad weather during our build.
Oh, there's going to be a lot of rain because we had such a drought this year. Our pond has actually gone down like 3 to 5 feet probably.
Yeah.
It's gone down quite a bit. So we need water. We need rain here in South Carolina.
We do, but it's not during our build
I know,
process.
but that's what's going to happen.
It's like when we put in our pool in the last house, and it hadn't rained, and then it rained all summer while we were putting it in, and it tripled the time it took.
Yeah, it's cool that we have all this property in this lake, but man, we got a lot of water that needs replaced. Watch yourself. We have a lot of, I'll show you so you can see, we have a lot of red ant hills. Let's see if I can get this camera to turn around. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know why I can't get it to turn. There we go. There, these red ant hills. And we got a couple there. We got a lot of them, so.
But show them how dense, I mean, right now is the heaviest the forest will be.
Yeah.
When we first bought it, it was so much more sparse than this, you know?
Yeah. We cleaned up a lot around the water, just like a lot of the long grass and weeds. And so, but it's pretty crazy. So we got way up there. We'll show you again when we get up there, but yeah, so walking it, we're scraping the lot. We got to meet with the ARB board next week again, and we'll get that done. We got to put the address on the board. We'll talk about that in another video, but got a lot of little things to do. But the big thing is we scraped the lot and got that ready for inspection, and cleared some of the trees so we can put the silt fence out and do the temp drive. All that's required before we start construction. So,
well, in a week and a half we should have all that done, so we can then, whenever we get the okay from everybody.
Yep.
We do have our official permit though, so that's a biggie. That's a big step that took a little bit. The county was actually quicker than they said they would be, right?
Yeah, the county says 2 to 3 weeks, or 3 to 4, 3 to 5, 3 to 4.
3 to 4 full weeks.
Yeah, and so they came back with inside of a week, which was cool.
No,
and
it was,
Horry County just switched to electronic permitting, which is not how it normally is. So some places you still have to take the blueprints and all your paperwork to the county, and here, which is great because we're not as advanced as some places. But that's cool that they switched, and now we can just electronically put it in, and they need something, they tell us. We got it within inside of a week. That was pretty cool.
Yeah, I think
got
they
that
were still
done.
working through some kinks in the new system, but
yeah, and
great.
So we got that done. We're wrapping up our closing in the next week. the bank. I know. Sheesh.
This has been a long process.
Oh, I forgot to get my game cameras. And I'll get those. You can hold this camera.
Well, we can say sayonara.
Maybe they want to hear more.
This is what Frank's been doing the whole time that we've owned it. Spying on the wildlife and people walking on our lot.
Well, at first we wanted to see what was going on, and then we saw people letting their animals like do their business on our lot, which I'm cool with people enjoying the lot and walking around it and stuff. But when you let your dog do number 2 on our lot and then you don't pick it up, or you put it in a bag and then you drop the bag on our lot, which is what people were doing, that's just inconsiderate and rude.
Why even bag it if you're going to just leave it? Like, they threw it in our woods. It's the craziest thing.
By the way, the other one's over there. Forgot.
That's fine. We don't have to get both. We just got them, I thought. Frank likes to check out which wildlife. We've seen everything. But
yeah, we have seen everything.
It does help keep, ever since we started the front of the lot, we like finally being staked and everything. I feel like people finally kind of stopped coming so much on the lot.
Yeah, it kind of deterred some people from hanging out.
Even though we had a no trespassing sign, a huge, basically, gate that said no trespassing.
Yeah.
But still people came.
Well, and you got to think, this is in the middle of a master plan community where most of the lots are about 1/3 of an acre. And this is 9 acres of property where people were riding dirt bikes and enjoying their time. There's no fish in the pond, which we're going to actually stock it with fish eventually. But, you know, people were enjoying the space, walking their dogs and stuff. And that's cool. It's fine. Yeah. We have other animals. We don't care about that. It's just being inconsiderate and leaving your dog business in a bag and dropping trash and stuff like that. That's just inconsiderate. So whether this is someone's lot or not, it's still inconsiderate.
Yeah, don't litter. Right?
But, so
hopefully next time we're out here, we've got bigger news.
There's Hudson.
Bigger accomplishments.
Hudson didn't want to be out here with the mosquitoes and the bugs, which actually it's not that bad. But
he's very sensitive. He's very sweet. They love him. So he's very sensitive to it.
So he's got his boots on now, and he's legit. Haven't seen any. Can they see him walking? I don't know if you can see him walking up. He's coming. Assistant project manager right there. Anyway, we got to go over. I want to get that other camera. I know you don't want to, but I do want to get it. Okay. Tiffany gave in. She was easy with me.
He's obsessed with looking at the cameras.
I love to see what's going on this property at night. It's cool.
Well, I guess you'll still have it when we live here. Now every single day you're going to be out here checking your cameras.
I like seeing the animals and what they're doing. What's up, buddy?
Hi, sweetie.
I got to get the other camera. I left it over there, so I know I know you're ready to go, but say hi to everybody.
Hi.
Don't look so excited.
I think we can sign off. We did the whole loop.
All right. Well, we'll keep you guys posted as we keep coming back. Just so everybody can see, I'll show everybody the clearing one last time. So the lot's scraped, and then we just cleared all those trees out over there. I'll have to get back. Maybe Steve will let me borrow one of his pieces of machinery and we'll get that figured out. But all right, everybody.